Dear colleagues, the fourth conference of the Parliamentary Network of the Non-Aligned Movement is also remarkable in the sense that it coincides with the anniversary of adoption of the Bandung Declaration. This month, we celebrate 70 years of the Bandung Principles, which laid the foundation for the establishment of the non-aligned movement. Past years can testify that the Bandung Principles have never lost their credibility and validity. On the contrary, current developments in international relations testify that the Bandung Principle should be adopted as driving force to lead us through the complex challenges that we face today. The strict adherence to the principles such as sovereignty, territorial integrity, equality, non-interference in internal affairs, respect for justice and international obligation is essential for peaceful coexistence of all nations and their fruitful cooperation for a better future. Our countries have been steadfast in embracing and committing themselves to these principles through involvement in the work of the non-aligned movement. On the one hand, our parliaments have come forward with a strong desire to play a significant role in achieving ideals and purposes enshrined in the Bandung Principles. This approach indicates not only readiness to support our governments in advancement of these principles, but also a firm belief in potential of interparliamentary cooperation for the sake of peace, justice, and sustainable development. In this sense, the Parliamentary Network of the Non-Aligned Movement is a reflection of our common vision. Dear colleagues, as you know, my country, Azerbaijan, was the chair of the NAM from 2019 to 2024. At the 18th summit of the Non-Aligned Movement held in Baku in 2019, President of the Republic of Azerbaijan, His Excellency Mr. Ilham Aliyev, stressed that Azerbaijan would build its chairmanship priorities and activities on the basis of the Bandung Principles, resolutely defend the justice and norms of international law, and aim at further enhancing the role and authority of the non-aligned movement. Several initiatives of His Excellency, the Chair of the NAM, have been vital for strengthening solidarity, mutual support, and multidimensional cooperation among the members of the movement, as well as its institutional development. Hence, the Parliamentary Network can be evaluated as one of the important achievements of the Azerbaijani chairmanship in the non-aligned movement. The network was inaugurated in November 2021 in Madrid on the sidelines of the 143rd Assembly of the Inter-Parliamentary Union. Since that time, we held 3 conferences in Baku, Manama, and Geneva, respectively in 2022, 2023, and 2024. Each conference witnessed the rise in the number of participants, which was the result of the growing interest in the network. Today, it represents over half of the parliaments of the NAM member states. Each conference has been crucial in terms of institutional development of the network. The Baku conference adopted the statute, the official logo and flag, elected chair and 3 vice chairs. The Manama conference further developed and improved working methods of the network. The Geneva conference adopted a decision on establishing the bureau and 4 standing committees. Developing institutional dialogue with other organizations has also been one of the main focus points of the network. It has an observer status in 6 organizations, while 7 organizations have been granted an observer status in the network. We have also expanded our involvement in international cooperation by signing a memorandum of understanding with 7 organizations, and the next one will be signed tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, the Parliamentary Network has also been active in representing our parliaments in international platforms with the aim of promoting the ideas and purposes of it. As the chair of the network, I participated in a number of important events, such as the G20 Parliamentary Speakers Summit and the summit-level meeting of the NAM contact group in response to COVID-19. More than 60 bilateral meetings have been held with the leadership of the parliaments of member states of the non-aligned movement and international organizations, which focus on the issues of strengthening our dialogue and cooperation. At the same time, the Secretariat of the network has been active in operating as an important point of contact between our parliaments, as well as engaging in the awareness-raising events. Dear colleagues, I would like to mention one more point. Our network is very important and useful for also developing bilateral relations between parliaments of the NAM member states. For example, in our parliament, in the Milli Majlis, we have set up additional 20 parliamentary friendship groups with parliaments of the NAM member states, which reflects our aim to further enhance our links with member parliaments. In general, among 140 friendship groups functioning in our parliament, 49 groups cover the parliaments of the network. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, as the chair of the parliamentary network of the NAM, I would like to thank all member parliaments for their significant contributions and efforts in establishment and development of our network. At the same time, I should note that this is a process in evolution. There are good opportunities to further develop our organization and deepen our cooperation. I call on our member parliaments to actively engage in this process and continue our joint work on promotion of common goals. And I wish all success to our conference and thank you for your attention.